Have you ever been far from your computer, needing a crucial piece of information from your notes, only to realize you cannot get to it? It is a frustrating feeling, especially when you are trying to stay productive with your studies. The best way to access your digital notes anywhere is by utilizing cloud synchronization services. These services automatically store and update your notes across multiple devices, ensuring they are always available to you. Cloud synchronization works by saving your notes to secure remote servers, rather than just on a single device. When you make a change on your phone, for example, that change is instantly uploaded to the cloud and then downloaded to your tablet, laptop, or any other device where you are signed in. This seamless process keeps all your versions consistent. To set this up, first choose a reputable cloud-based note-taking application like OneNote, Evernote, or Google Keep, which offer robust synchronization features. Next, create an account within your chosen app and ensure that synchronization is enabled in its settings. After that, simply log into the same account on all your devices, such as your laptop, tablet, and smartphone. Any notes you create or modify on one device will then automatically appear on all the others, keeping your study materials perfectly updated. Many of these platforms offer additional helpful features such as offline access, allowing you to view and edit notes even without an internet connection, and automatic version history, so you can always revert to an earlier saved state. They also often provide cross-platform compatibility, meaning they work smoothly across different operating systems like Apple, Windows, or Android. For added peace of mind, many services use end-to-end encryption to protect your data, ensuring your notes remain private and secure. By embracing cloud-synchronized digital note-taking, you are not just organizing your study materials, you are building a flexible and reliable learning ecosystem. This approach significantly boosts your productivity and reduces the stress of misplaced notes, providing a consistent and accessible study environment wherever you go.